In today's video, you will see 3 juice recipes that work as natural medicines. We have lots of juice recipes here on the channel: green juice, orange, apple, papaya, pineapple, and even collard green or spinach. Have you tried any of them yet? These are just some variants of juices that we are used to making and drinking, right? Since they are natural, depending on their ingredients, these juices can work as powerful homemade medicines. Did you know that? See now 3 natural juices that also work as homemade medicines. Juice for joint pain. This juice is great for those who suffer from joint pain such as arthritis, arthrosis, tendinitis, osteoarthritis, and bursitis. If this is your problem, write down the ingredients: 1 orange, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon turmeric, powder or grated, 6.75 ounces water, 1 tablespoon pure honey to sweeten. Peel the orange and the lemon, remove the seeds, cut them into small pieces and set them aside. Combine all ingredients except honey in a blender and blend until smooth. Strain, add honey, and drink. Drink this juice in the morning or on an empty stomach for a week. Then give it a 7 days pause and restart. Juice for high blood pressure. Both ingredients in this juice, guava and tomato, are rich in potassium. This mineral lowers and regulates blood pressure and prevents the bad cholesterol, LDL, from fixating itself in the arteries' walls. Write down the ingredients: 1 guava, 1 tomato, 6.75 ounces filtered water, honey to taste. Peel the guava and cut it into slices. Dice the tomato. Put both ingredients in a blender, add the water and blend. Add the honey and drink right after. Health and skin beauty. Rejuvenating juice. Did you know you can have healthy, beautiful skin naturally? By choosing the right ingredients, you can get rid of pimples, acne, pigmentation, or any other issue. Besides, this juice will make your skin younger and prettier. Write down the ingredients: 1 1/2 lemon, 1 Japanese cucumber, medium, 2 basil bunches, 17 ounces water. Start by dicing the cucumber. Then add 1/2 a lemon and the basil. Blend in a blender. Once it is smooth, pour into a glass jar and squeeze the remaining lemons. Drink a glass right away. Do it every day until you notice an improvement in your skin. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.